Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new tutorial. I was going to include this tutorial in my previous video, which was the unboxing video, but then it was going to be really long. So I decided to break it down in two, and you will notice that I jump right into unboxing the palette. So just wanted to give you a heads up, but I do talk and I already have my foundation on and I do jump here and there. So just to give you a heads up, I hope you enjoy this video. Alright, this is what the beautiful, gorgeous packaging looks like. Such a beautiful palette. I mean, this packaging is so gorgeous. Okay, we're gonna unbox this palette together. And I really liked, it's like textured, embedded. Like, let me see if you can get it close up, but it's kind of like, you can see it just feels so luxurious. This has a longevity of 12 months, so a year. I'm gonna be real and I'm probably gonna keep this longer because, you know, I'm gonna do an all matte look. That's what I'm gonna do because I'm always comfortable gravitating towards blue because I'm so comfortable using blues, which, I mean, I'll do a look with this, but like these two shades right here, girl, just calling my name. So I already did my face foundation. It's the same foundation routine that I had in my previous video, so if you have not watched that, you can go ahead and watch it. I'll list everything down in the description box as well. We're going to start with Sangre, which is this beautiful color right here. I'm going to use a MAC brush, 224. There is a little bit of kick up if any of you care. I'm personally one who just does not care about kick up. That just tells me that the shade is pigmented. That's all that it is. But I know there's some people out there that are like, I'm losing my money and stuff like that, but I personally don't care. Okay, here we go. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. All the way yes. Let me zoom y'all in. This is really pigmented and beautiful. It's like a cross between a really deep plum and like a hint of burgundy. It's, oh my god, this is gorgeous. I'm so glad I'm gonna do an all matte look because I feel like I've done blues, but I will do more tutorials using this palette. It's so crazy. It looks like burgundy in the pan, but like putting it on, it's like a deep plum. Now I'm just blending this out. And it packed on a pigment so well. Like, I have some fallout right here, but it's, let me get up close so you can see. It's super like barely anything, but this is so pretty. This is like really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna stop right there and then I'm gonna add the Velorio shade right there. I'm using a Sigma E32. This is an exact blend, but we're gonna use this to pack it on. This just made it like super deeper. I'm gonna use this blending brush from Alamar Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna blend. It has no product. I just want to diffuse this color because it's gorgeous. It's so pretty. That Velorio shade just made it like way more deeper, like a grape purple. So pretty. We're gonna use the shade called Corazon, which is this one right here. Ooh. Yes, I'm glad I made that decision. Oh, it gave it like a little, like the color combo made it so pretty. I don't even know how to explain it. But it just gave it like a tangent of like cranberry. Okay, so I'm pretty satisfied with how this is. I am going to do the other eye. Okay, we're gonna use this shade called Calaca, which is that one right there, right here. Put that on the brow bone. Okay, we did the brows. Same thing that we did last time. Fenty Beauty Brow Pencil MVP, medium brown on my ColourPop, and then my Aphrodite palette with the little powder in the center. I feel like this powder, this color of the powder is just meant for my brows. We're gonna move on to the lower lash line. Same thing, gonna use the Sangre color and then put that on the lower lash line. I used the Cosmetics Colombia All Day Everyday Eyeliner on the waterline. Added some mascara, the Laura Mercier Caviar one, bottom and top lashes. And I have it on, so I'm going to let it dry for a bit and we're going to move on to the lips. It's like a nice purple. Okay, we're going to try Dream Boy. And for the lashes, we're going to use the same ones that I did in the last tutorial. It's from Amazon, my favorite ones. We're going to use the top ones. I tried these bottom ones, but they're super like, I couldn't. Like, I really couldn't. Dodo head. I didn't use the brushes in here. What? I suck. Okay, highlighter. I don't know how you come up with these creations. Like, look at this. Look at this. This is fucking pretty. Excuse my French, but like I had to. Okay, let's see how this works out because it's more of a pinky highlighter. I'm not used to pink highlighters. I'm more on the gold side. But here we go. Okay, so I can see it through here, but the viewfinder is not picking it up. I feel like this would be really nice, like blush topper. So what I'm gonna do is, I forgot to put bronzer. It's okay. This is MAC Lovejoy. I don't own any MAC. I don't own any Mel Cosmetics blushes. I feel like it's meshing well with the highlighter. We need in a corner. Same blush. This is called Illuminacion. This is so pretty. I don't even wanna like mess up the imprint. Wow. She's fancy. Oh. Yeah. This is a really pretty inner corner highlight, but for my personal use, I'll probably use it like as a blush topper because it's a little too pink for my personal preference. Still stunning. Still a stunning highlight though. So that is the end of this eye makeup look. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Let me know what you think of this collection. Are you gonna grab anything? Let me know in the comments. I really want to know if you want to get anything. But if you have any questions or if I missed anything, please let me know in the comment section down below. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give me a thumbs up. It lets me know that you enjoy these kinds of videos. And I will see you in the next one. Toodles!